You have a blog, you have traffic, but you're not making any money. What should you do? Hey everyone, I am Shahzad and today I am going to share with you 5 ways you can monetize your blog. Let's start off with Assist 1. Number 1. AdSense is something that Google provides and allows you to put ads on your site. People put AdSense on their site. You put it throughout your text. Your sidebar, every time they click on it, you will make money. Number 2. Affiliate programs is where you promote a product or service and you get paid every time you drive a sale. There is a lot of networks out there that have affiliate offers such as ClickBank or Javiso. You can go there to sign up for offers, promote them your blog, and you'll get paid every time you drive a sale. Number 3. Sell digital products from ebooks to courses. There's an infinite amount of possibilities with digital products. You can even use a service called by Kajabi to deliver your digital products to the people who buy it. Now, when you're reselling digital products, the best ways to do it is typical through a webinar. Have people go to your site, register for a webinar. Watch and them, some of them will end up buying or becoming leads or customers for your digital products. Number 4. Sell your own ad space. AdSense, which is owned by Google, is the middleman. If you don't want to have a middleman, you can go directly to the people that should be advertising and get them to buy ads. So most people are going to say no, but that okay. If you hit now people up, someone will buy a ad spot. That way you can keep that middleman free and you will make more money. Number 5. Sell physical products. A good example of this are Legend Athletics. They have a blog all about fitness and they sell physical products, proteins, supplements, vitamins, and you know what? They do millions and millions of dollars a year. They do over 10 million a year. Literally over amazing product that people want to buy. Use those 5 methods and you will be able to monetize your blog. If you want to, you can use multiple of them. Same people do ads and they sell digital products. Some people digital products and physical. It's the same time. It's up to you on what you want to do. I want to recommend it doing all 5 because it's just overwhelming for a visitor. But you can pick 1 or 2. And if you want to go to the extreme, you could pick 3 of these methods and use them all at once.